Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term call and response. Introduction. Call and response is a term deeply embedded in Black cultural studies, representing a fundamental element of communication within Black American oral traditions. This interactive exchange between a performer and an audience is not only a musical or verbal technique but also a cultural practice that reinforces community, participation, and collective identity. Originating in African traditions and perpetuated through various forms of Black American art, call and response continues to be a vital aspect of Black cultural expression, origins, and historical context. The concept of call and response has its roots in African oral traditions, where it served as a communal method of communication during rituals, work songs, and religious ceremonies. Enslaved Africans brought these practices to the Americas, where they adapted and evolved in new cultural environments. In the context of Black American history, call and response became a powerful tool for survival and resistance, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose among oppressed communities. Call and response in music. One of the most prominent manifestations of call and response can be found in Black American music, particularly in genres such as gospel, blues, jazz, and later hip-hop. In gospel music, for example, a lead singer, the caller, would sing a line, which the congregation or choir, the responders, would echo or answer, creating a dynamic and emotionally charged musical dialogue. This technique not only enhances the musical experience but also encourages active participation from the audience, making the performance a communal event. Call and response in spoken word and oral traditions. Beyond music, call and response plays a crucial role in Black American oral traditions, including spoken word poetry, storytelling, and public speaking. In these contexts, the speaker engages the audience through rhetorical questions, repeated phrases, or prompts that invite immediate verbal or non-verbal feedback. This interaction between speaker and audience transforms the act of communication into a shared experience, reinforcing the connection between the individual and the community. Cultural significance and impact. The pattern of call and response is more than just a form of artistic expression. It is a cultural practice that embodies the values of inclusivity, dialogue, and collective participation. It reflects the communal nature of Black American culture, where the boundaries between performer and audience are fluid, and everyone plays a role in the creation of meaning. This practice also serves as a form of resistance against the isolation and marginalization imposed by dominant cultures, asserting the importance of Black voices and experiences in shaping cultural narratives. Theoretical perspectives. Geneva Smitherman, in her influential work Talkin' and Testifyin', The Language of Black America, 1977, explores the linguistic and cultural significance of call and response in Black American communication. Smitherman highlights how this practice, rooted in African traditions, has been adapted and sustained within Black American communities as a means of preserving cultural identity and fostering social cohesion. Her work underscores the importance of recognizing and valuing the unique communicative practices that emerge from specific cultural contexts. Conclusion. Call and response is a central term in Black cultural studies, encapsulating a rich tradition of interactive communication that transcends mere performance, Whether in music, spoken word, or everyday conversation, this practice reinforces the communal bonds that are vital to Black American culture. As both a cultural expression and a form of resistance, call and response continues to play a crucial role in affirming the collective identity and agency of Black communities. Through its ongoing evolution, it remains a powerful testament to the enduring legacy of African cultural traditions in the Americas. So this was the discussion on the term call and response. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.